hope you are well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 9.6 thousand. I am this close. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. It would absolutely make my year. So yeah, thank you very much in advance if you do, and if you don't, please do. Thanks. So today is the day. I cannot believe I am sitting here about to film my 2021 Lush favourites. How has it been a year since I last filmed it? I watched my one from last year recently just to like see what I mentioned and that kind of thing. And it's mental. I feel like I remember filming that video like it was yesterday. Absolutely insane. But I do have a wide range of products to share with you this year. So excited. Some products you'll be very surprised that aren't featured, and I will go into that in a bit of detail as to why I'm not featuring them. However, I have quite a lot that is featured. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right in. Don't forget to give me a list down below in the comment section of what you've been loving this year. I would love to know. And also please don't forget to leave me some video requests down below. I will always ask for these as many times as possible because I'd love to know what you guys want to see. Next year I do want to venture out into different like realms of content, I suppose, and I have some really good ideas, but I would love some more. So if you could leave me some comments of some video ideas, that'd be fab. Right, without further ado, I'm gonna dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So firstly, a few honourable mentions which I don't have to hand. So I would have to say that the first thing that I have been obsessed with this year is the Fresh face masks. Now for years past I have mentioned Mask of Magnanimity, Cup of Coffee, Beauty Sleep, which, don't get me wrong, still love, still favourites to this day. However, ever since subscribing to the Fresh and Flowers box, I have been obsessed with Fresh face masks, and I don't have any to share with you because I currently don't have any because I've used them all, but I have been loving it. I love having one a month to try something different. Keeps my skincare routine kind of just changing, and it's really fun. I love it. So I'd have to say Fresh face masks have been my ultimate favourite face mask this year. However, I have also been obsessed with the 2 subscription boxes. Now I only subscribed to these this year and I have been absolutely in love with receiving these. Not only does it make really fun content because I absolutely love filming myself like reacting to stuff like that, I get so excited when I receive a box because I do what I can to not spoil it, and it's just so much fun. So if you haven't subscribed to the boxes, obviously if you are financially able to, definitely do it. It's so much fun. Or even split it with a friend and you guys could like share what's inside. Always quite a good idea. I love them. So those are 2 of my favourites. Just thought I would mention them at the beginning in case I forget, because I probably would. But yeah, both subscription boxes I have been obsessed with. So my next favourite has been a shower gel. Now you guys are going to be really surprised when I say what shower gel it is, because obviously you guys know I love Plum Rain, Twilight, like those are my all-time faves, Lord of Misrule. But I delved into something a little bit different this year and I have absolutely been obsessed, and I do wish I bought a kilogram of it at Christmas time, but I didn't. So I'm going to share it with you. Are you guys ready? Who is she? Snow Fairy in a favourites video. Don't know who that is, but honestly I have been using older bottles, so I've just given you the new one to like show you so it doesn't look gross. But Snow Fairy shower gel this year, I have been obsessed with it. It's so comforting, so warming. I know the smell is very in your face, kind of sweet, bubblegum, like very strong. It just brings me back so many memories of like working for Lush, and I think that's why I like it. The nostalgia is just so beautiful. Obviously it's not the most moisturising shower gel in the world. I do kind of wish it maybe had a little bit more oils in there in terms of ingredients. It really only has things like perfume, lime oil, water, sodium lauryl sulfate. Like it doesn't really go into too much detail as to what's in this because I think it's such a specific fragrance. Either that or it's all just in the perfume, which it could be, but I wish it maybe had a bit more of a benefit factor, you know, like how Yog Nog shower cream, that kind of vibe, like it's moisturising. Like I would love for that to be like this. But anyway, I have absolutely loved Snow Fairy shower gel this year. I have been really into it, and if you haven't got some, there may still be some left in the sale as you're watching this video, but there may not be, so I do apologise, but it's amazing. So 10 out of 10, loved that. Next up is my lip scrub favourite of the year. Now, this past year I have gained quite a lot of lip scrubs, and I'm not the sort of person that uses one every single day. I need to get into the habit of doing it because I've gained far too many, but the one that I have used the most this past year has been the Galaxy lip scrub, and I believe I actually have 2 of these now, which I don't understand how that's happened, but anyway, I have 2 of these and it's so good. It basically, I'm going to have to eat some on camera just to taste it and describe it. Basically tastes like raspberry slushy, like blue raspberry slush puppy kind of flavour, but not as like sour almost. It is really, really good. It's really moisturising, really, really invigorating on the lips, and I really love this product. There aren't many lip scrubs that I don't actually like. I think the only one that I didn't really like this year was the golden pineapple one. I don't know, the taste just wasn't it for me. The texture was beautiful, but the taste of it was just a bit strange. And I did also really love the Funfetti one, delicious. But this is the one I've been gravitating towards the most, especially over the past like 3 to 4 months. I have been obsessed with this. And ingredients wise, it has jojoba oil, shea butter, cold pressed raspberry seed oil, butcher oil, lemon myrtle oil, and Tulu balsam. No idea what that is, but it just is wonderful. I really, really love this, and if you haven't tried Lush's lip scrubs, honestly, they are the most amazing lip scrub I've ever tried in my life, so I highly recommend these. Moving on to a fragrance favourite. Now, I actually didn't like this product at first when I first smelt it years ago, as in 4 or 5 years ago. It just wasn't my vibe. Like, the smell of it just didn't smell like the shower gel, and I was highly disappointed. However, I did receive this for my Secret Santa last year from Ben. Thank you so much, Ben, if you're watching. And I just fell in love with it. I kind of was like, right, well, I'm gonna have to use it because it was gifted to me and I want to try and like it. Did not take me long. That is the Plum Rain shower gel. Shower gel body spray. I am obsessed with the shower gel, and because this doesn't smell exactly like the shower gel, I think that's why I was a little bit put off. But actually, the more you sort of smell it, it does sort of change to that shower gel smell, if that makes sense. Such a beautiful smell. It's like sour, earthy a little bit, and I don't like earthy smells, but this has just got so many layers to it that I just absolutely am obsessed. And ingredients wise, it doesn't really say too much, but it's got Osmanthus Absolute, Petitgrain oil, Sicilian Mandarin oil. It doesn't really tell you too much, I think, because it is a perfume, I suppose. They don't really want to tell people too much, but unbelievable. I love the body sprays as well because I use them on my bed sheets, I use them in my bedroom, I spray them all over myself, and I absolutely love them. They are quite expensive, at roughly 20 to 25 pounds, but they're beautiful. So if you haven't tried them, I really recommend it. The Snow Fairy one is unreal. The next category is body lotion. Now, you guys know I am probably the laziest person when it comes to body lotion. I just don't really ever use body lotion. However, I try and leave one on my bedside table, and I try to use it as much as I possibly can because I want to get through all my lotions. They're the worst for me to get through, so I am really, really trying. And the 2 that I have been obsessed with this year, the first one is the Lime Bounty. Now, I got given this because me and Ryan, my boyfriend, did a My Boyfriend Does My Lush haul video, and if you want to see another one of those next year, let me know. But he picked this out and it's so good. I've slowly gotten through it. I'm really, really trying. It's really hard to get through for me. Like, body lotion in general, I find it's just so much work to get through. But this smells unreal. It smells like, you know, a Solero ice lolly where it's the ice cream with the orange outer layer. If it was a lime flavour, that's what this smells like. Super creamy, super limey. It just smells really, really lovely, and it gives me like summer vibes, like summer, like ice creamy vibes. Do you know what I mean? I just absolutely love this. And ingredients wise, this one has olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, capucci butter, lime oil, lemon myrtle oil, and grapefruit oil. So it's just full of beautiful ingredients. I love it, and it just, oh, delicious, delicious. My second body lotion favourite, yes, I have 2. Who am I? Is the Yognog Body Milk. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I have got 2 of these. This is the more full of the 2, so I'm going to show you this one. And this came out last Christmas, which I know is gross or whatever. It's slightly in date. I think we have a little while to go. I'm not actually sure anymore because the date's rubbed off, but it smells like absolutely fine. It looks beautiful. It feels great. So I'm just not that bothered. Do you know what I mean? Yokonog Body Milk is one of those products that I feel like if it was not, I want it all year round. Do you know what I mean? Like, everybody needs to try this, and I'm so sorry to all of you that have been messaging me like, where do you get your lotion from? Like, where can I find it? You can't. It was limited edition a few years ago, but it's just absolutely amazing. The texture, the thickness, the smell. Gonna have to smell it now. It's like pure caramel, cookie. Oh, it's just absolutely stunning. Like, I cannot love a lotion more. It's just the most perfect body lotion. I love it. So yeah, delish. Ingredients wise, in this one we've got almond oil, clove bud oil, ylang ylang oil, and gardenia extract, but to be honest, it just smells like pure caramel and toffee and deliciousness. So yeah, I'm actually quite disappointed in myself that I didn't really have any significant like bath bombs or bubble bars that stood out to me this year. I think because this past year I've really tried to condense that part of my collection and just get through as much as possible. I've not really thought about like how much I've enjoyed them too much, which I know is awful, but I just haven't really remembered to do so. So I will try my best like over the next few months to try and like mention them in my favourites videos, because there were a few, I just can't remember them. So now the next section, which is the last section, is hair care. Now you guys know I'm a massive hair care person. I had my hair dyed at the end of November. I feel like I didn't mention it in a video, but anyway, I had it lightened at the end of November and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. She's back blonde. I had a lot cut off though, as you can see, but it needed it. Like, she was dry and just like not great, so I had a lot cut off, but I don't really mind. I've come to the realization that hair is hair at the end of the day. Like, I'll get it cut off, it will grow back, or I'll just cut it off again. So here we are. But I have a few hair care faves from Lush that I've really enjoyed this past year, so let's go through all of those. So the first two kind of go hand in hand, so I'm going to talk through those at the same time. So the first one is the Curl Power hair cream. Now I absolutely loved this for when I was having my natural curly hair more often. I haven't done that in a long time. It's probably been about 2 to 3 months, which I know is awful because I was getting into such a good routine with it. But this is a beautiful hair cream. Now my friend Kelsey tried this. She doesn't like the smell, which I don't know how you could not like the smell, because it's just so good. It's such an amazing fragrance. It smells like Twister ice lollies to me, and I absolutely love it. It's the same smell as the avocado co-wash, which I also love, but this is beautiful. And to go with this, I have been using the Renee's She Soufflé hair and scalp oil. Now this I find a little bit harder to work with, if I'm honest, and I feel like it's never ever going to go away because I have so much left. But it is essentially like a hard oil for your hair, I guess. I don't really know how to describe it, but the way I use this is I put this on the ends of my hair and I kind of run it through just to like moisturize the ends of my hair, and I really like it. I just find that it is quite large for the small amount that you need, if that makes sense. It does remind me of the that split end balm that we used to have a few years ago. But ingredients wise in both of these, so we'll start with the Curl Power. This one has bergamot oil, cuba oil, coconut vinegar, cocoa butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, but it's just beautiful. And then the souffle has shea butter, coconut oil, avocado oil, castor oil, almond oil, jasmine absolute, bay oil, tangerine oil, and tonka absolute. So beautiful. Honestly, if you are a curly haired gal and you want to get into your kind of like curly hair girl routine sort of situation, really beautiful products. Lush have released a whole range that I really want to try. So yeah, if you haven't tried these, I really recommend it. The next item is a hair treatment, and if you guys have watched me for a while, you will know that I have always mentioned this product because I absolutely love it. It's one of my all-time favourite hair treatments from Lush, and I will continue to use it forever because it's my absolute favourite, and that is the Roots hair treatment. Now this is just beautiful. It's one of my all-time favourite products. I just get on really well with it. I absolutely love it. I recommend it to everybody. It's a mint hair kind of like scalp treatment. It encourages hair growth. It makes my scalp feel so incredibly clean, and I absolutely love this product. Ingredients wise, we've got fresh mint infusion, honey, peppermint oil, orange oil, spearmint oil, grapefruit oil, nettle absolute, neroli oil. It's just so wonderful, and it looks like this. I've got half a pot left, which is making me sad because I'm gonna have to buy a new one soon. But this lasts for absolutely ages. The smell so nostalgic. I first used this when I was at university, and I can like picture my uni room like with this. So good. I absolutely love this product. If you want your hair to grow, I promise you, amazing. And last but certainly not least is a shampoo bar. You guys know I've been obsessed with this shampoo bar probably for about 10 years now. I have not found a shampoo bar that I love just as much as this one as of yet, and it is my all-time favourite, and that is, drumroll please, the new shampoo bar. New shampoo bar is my absolute favourite. This little product here, firstly, smells like Christmas. It smells like cinnamon. It's beautiful, but if you want your hair to grow, it's a cinnamon spicy shampoo bar. It will encourage your hair to grow. Obviously, I know that hair growth is all focused on the ends. If your ends are like splitting and snapping off, your hair won't grow. Like, it won't seem like it's growing, but from the scalp, this will encourage your hair to grow and it will do wonders. I promise you. The shampoo bars are one of my all-time favourite products from Lush for like ever. I have loved them for a really long time and it's just amazing. So yeah, if you want to try one, I recommend this one, and they last for about 80 to 100 washes, so bargain, and I think they're about £8, so yeah. So that is everything for my 2021 Lush favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would absolutely love to know down below in the comments what your favourites have been this past year, because I am always wanting to try new products. So let me know down below your favourites, maybe your top 5 or top 10. I would love to know, and obviously if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. I would really, really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.